Hello, and welcome to What's Brewing with the Bowling Green Chamber of Commerce, where, like a good cup of coffee, these events can kickstart your week to provide business networking, education, and build your business. Our Panik Career Center ribbon cutting will be happening this week. Come and congratulate them as they become part of our Bowling Green community and enjoy some networking. Our National Women's Small Business Month continues on our Facebook page. Engage with us there and help us recognize women in our community involved in business. The holiday parade is less than a month away. There's still time to register and volunteer. And don't forget, it's an exciting way to feature Bowling Green, as WTOL will have a 2-hour live broadcast of the parade. And this is our last week to enter for your business after hours to include Freddie and Frida. Be sure to enter this week, as the drawing is this Friday. So grab your cup of coffee, head out the door, and join us at these important chamber events.